Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to verify your identity on PayPal in just 5 minutes to enhance your account's safety and credibility. Having a verified profile is essential, so let's begin. Start by visiting the official PayPal website using any web browser. Once the homepage loads, find the login button in the upper right corner and click it. Enter your email address and password carefully. It is vital to verify these details to avoid login errors caused by simple typos. Keeping your password updated regularly is also a smart security practice. After filling in your credentials, press the login button to enter your dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the bell icon in the top right area, which represents your notifications. Click this icon to find a message asking you to provide additional information. Selecting Provide Info will lead you to the Photo ID Upload section. If you do not see this alert, you can navigate there manually by clicking your profile at the top and choosing Profile Settings from the menu. From there, go to the Data and Privacy tab, which is where you manage your personal details. You will find the option to update and verify your information here. Simply select Upload a Photo ID to proceed. Now, submit a clear and readable image of your official identification document. Ensure the file follows PayPal's accepted formats and that all text is legible to prevent processing delays. After you upload the file, double-check everything for accuracy before final submission. PayPal will then review your document. While some accounts are verified instantly, others may take a little longer, so monitor your email or account notifications for an update. You have now completed the steps to verify your PayPal ID. This process ensures your account is protected for future transactions and trusted interactions. If you run into trouble, the PayPal Help Center offers extra guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.